Ken Jeong and Robin Thicke reportedly walk off stage after Rudy Giuliani is unveiled on The Masked Singer.
Oh, why?
That's quite a statement.
Like,
Yeah.
they're shocked or pissed?
I presume they're not into it. Both judges reportedly left the stage in protest of the former New York City mayor, but later returned.
They squashed the beef.
No, they get into the back, and then their agents are like, you know, you can walk, but you realize you're forfeiting the entire paycheck. They're like,
It's like, all right, yeah.
They're like,
We'll be back.
they're like, all right.
Rushing back
like about
on
that
stage.
Rudy Giuliani thing. No, I never watched this show, but I presume it's all kinds of surprises. It's the whole concept. You got the mask on. They don't know who it is.
Yes.
I don't think we have a clip of this because it was during the taping. So during last week's taping of the Fox series season 7 premiere, former New York City Mayor Rudy Giuliani was unmasked as one of the contestants. Following the reveal, Ken Jeong, 52, and Thicke, 44, both walked off the stage in protest of Donald Trump's former attorney, according to the outlets. Fellow judges Jenny McCarthy and Nicole Scherzinger reportedly remained on stage after the reveal, where they briefly chatted with Giuliani. I mean, that's kind of a tough one. It's tough for a political figure to go on a Masked Singer, isn't it? Because people have such strong feelings about political figures. Mm-hmm. And then the show is kind of just supposed to be a bit of fun. Mm-hmm. So, but the walking off, I don't... maybe it's good for content. Like, I wouldn't have been talking about this show. Now I kind of want to tune in to see it. I kind of want to watch how it all goes down as they march off. I don't know if they'll be able to use it. I presume they'll use it to their advantage. Giuliani at this point is 77 years old. He's had a number of controversies. I remember when, who was it? It was
Borat?
Borat went at him.
Yeah.
Borat went at him.
Oh, okay.
In that segment where he was trying to get him in a compromising position. Remember that?
Yeah. Compromising position.
Wouldn't that be isn't that the way to describe it?
Yeah.
Well,
yes.
So anyway, I guess these guys aren't really into him, and they walked off, and then they walked back, and it's all content, and maybe it was all planned so they can promote this 7th season premiere. Who knows? We don't. You'll never know.